What is Git? Git is a free and open source distributed version control system. So now it brings us to the question, what is version control system? Version control software allows the user to have versions of a project, which shows the changes that were made to the code over time and also allows the user to backtrack it. This ability alone, or being able to compare two versions or reverse the changes, makes it invaluable when working on large projects. In version control system, the changes would be saved just in a time, and so these versions are stored on a central server. Now Git relies on the basis of distributed development. Every Git working directory is a fully fledged repository with complete history and full version tracking capabilities. Git allows a team of people to work together, all using the same files, and it helps the team to cope with the confusion that tends to happen when multiple people are editing the same file. So, get started with Git.